LAPD 911.
Hello? This is an emergency. There's a man with a gun. He was pointing at us.
What's the address?
83 North State Avenue. The police is just like nearby.
83. What did he do?
83 North State Avenue. He has a gun. He was pointing at us. We just ran, but he's there. There was another lady that he was pointing at too.
Where? Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
Well, sorry, say that again.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
He's white.
What color shirt and pants was he wearing?
Black. Yeah, I think he has a jacket. Black and
Black jacket?
Black pants. Yes.
Black jacket, black pants. Okay, stay on the line for me. I'm going to dispatch officers, okay?
Bold. He's bold.
Bold?
He doesn't have hair.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't hang up. Don't hang up. I'm going to dispatch officers, okay?
Okay. Okay.
I saw that guy in all black right here, but I can't see. I just saw clothes.
Oh, yeah, he's bald too.
Yeah. Oh, he's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
X46, we're code 6 on the suspect. Give me a backup, 415 man with a gun. We're right in front of Nate's Cafe. Lift up your hands. Hands in the air. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Hey, can you leave me alone, dog? I'm on probation.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't reach for it! Okay, we gotta go less lethal. Okay. Go!
Hey! He's got a gun,
He's got a gun, guys!
Oh, shit! Hey, drop it! Yo! Hey! Fuck! Hey! Drop it! Hey! Drop it now! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot you! Drop it! Drop it now! Way 5, he's northbound Northgate, 83. Hey! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Drop it! Drop it now! Drop it now!
Air Force One!
Drop it now, I'm gonna shoot you!
I'm doing this.
Drop it! It's alright! It's alright, drop it now!
Let's go, sir.
Drop it now, it's okay! I'm gonna help you, hey!
Nah, leave me alone. Let's see.
It's not a big deal, nothing happened, hey! Nothing happened, you're not in trouble! You're not in trouble, okay, drop it, okay, drop it! Drop it or you're not in trouble right now! I don't wanna hurt you! Don't be stupid! Don't be stupid! Drop it now, bro. Come on. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you, bro. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you, bro.
Why you guys doing this to me?
Hey, you're fine. Hey, let me help you. Let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Air Force One. Get down! Get down! Hey, drop it! Drop it! Get on the ground now! No! Drop it! No! Air Force One! Drop it now! I'm gonna shoot you! Drop it!
Drop the gun or I'm gonna shoot you.
It's alright, drop it now!
Watch crossfire. Crossfire. Crossfire.
I'm gonna help you!
Bump, 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 bump.
It's not a big deal, nothing happened, hey! Nothing happened, you're not in trouble! You're not in trouble, okay, drop it, okay, drop it!
Drop the gun.
You're not in trouble right now! I don't wanna hurt you! Don't be stupid! Don't be stupid! Drop it now, bro, come on! Hey! I want to take care of you, bro!
Hey, drop it. Drop it or I'm gonna shoot you.
Drop it, bro, hey!
Let me help you. Let me help you. Get stuck. Get stuck. I got it. Get out of here. I'll take care of you, bro. Hey, you're fine. Hey. Let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get stuck. I got it. Get out of here. Show me the gun. I'm gonna get him up. Get up, man. Yo, you okay?
Yeah.
You were shot or anything?
No, bro.
All units, officer needs help. Northgate and Topanga on the Health Northgate and Topanga shots fired. Any area in command of Topanga Freakers.